In this activity, we will demonstrate the oxidation reaction of a cut potato. For this activity, we need a potato and a lemon. Cut the potato into half. Cut the lemon and apply lemon juice on the surface of one half. Put a marker pin to indicate potato with lemon. Leave the potato exposed to air and observe the two halves after some time. After few hours, what do you observe? The potato without lemon juice turns dark brown, whereas the one with lemon juice remains white. The potato turns dark brown because it contains an enzyme called as polyphenol oxidase that reacts with oxygen in air to change its color. The oxidation reaction forms sort of a rust on the surface of the potato. When we add lemon juice, the oxidation reaction is prevented by inactivating the enzyme in the potato.